Nossa, nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego, ai, delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego, hein? Sábado na balada, a galera começou a dançar e passou a menina mais linda.
Welcome to the first of the UEFA Champions League group stage games. I'm John Champion, Jim Beglin is here alongside me. And here we have Benfica against Barcelona. So many trophies between them, so many stellar names on the pitch at the same time. So we're off then. Messi cuts it out. And Lionel Messi sets off on one of his trademark runs. And the ball is given back to the keeper. Oscar Cardoso. A ball over the top. Oh, he's lost it. Here's Iniesta. Here's Pedro. Now he's ready for a shot. That's not going to make it through.
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
He's got in. Looking to thread it through. Alexis Sanchez! What a reprieve that was. Bruno Cesar. A really impressive run through. A chance! Oh, that was a fine solo effort.
I thought he showed wonderful feet there. He's definitely one of the best dribblers around in the modern game.
He knocks it in. The cross ending up in the goalkeeper's hands. That'll be a throw-in. They hit it long now. 30 minutes on the watch. And Messi is marauding forward. Skillfully hit. Keeper claims it.
Well, he was right in front of goal and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
Rodrigo completely mistimed his challenge then. Free kick given. And the referee wants words. It's a booking. You can see what the player thinks of that decision. It's back to the old argument about referees who've never played the game at this level. It's a ball in. No, not quite.
Well, the defender was stuck to him like glue, but he got his effort away. It wasn't quite enough, though.
Pereira. Still level, but just 5 minutes to go to half-time. And there'll be a yellow card for the foul too. The referee had a good view of it. Here's a ball in. And they get it away. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close.
Well, I think they can count themselves a little bit lucky with that scoreline at half-time. I think the manager's going to tell his team to open it up a bit and just use the flanks that bit more.
Neither side has managed a goal. It's 0-0. Benfica against Barcelona. He's on a real charge. Chance. Possibility for a shot. A fine stop by the keeper.
Oh, he's done ever so well there. That's a wonderful, wonderful save.
Puyol on the ball. Hits it. Messi. Keeper makes the stop. He sends it in. Into play it goes for a throw. Now through to Alexis Sanchez. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee.
That was very, very close. He was just offside.
60 minutes played. Slides it through. No, that's not going to make it. Michel. Long ball over the top. Can he now find a finish? It's an opportunity. And that's gone wide.
Such an impressive run for him to create the chance there. The defence needed to do much better in closing that down though, but it's encouraging.
Michel. Bruno César. He plays it through. It's opened up nicely for him. Maybe now. And he's offside. The flag is up. Clock showing 75 minutes. Javi Garcia. Michel. A long ball into space. Oh, and he'll be disappointed with that. He's been flagged offside. He's looking to play it into the channel. He can take the shot on here. And Leonardo. How about it? How about that? And the deadlock is finally broken.
They'll kick themselves if that doesn't turn out to be the clincher. What a time to score. Well, that's a finish that will be remembered by both player and fans for a long, long time. I guess we'll be eulogising about it for a long time too. Wonderful.
A memorable solo effort, that. Barcelona have the all-important opener. No options for him in the box. Could be a chance now. Shoots here, and it's taken with some style. They've most definitely hit their stride now. Excellent work to intercept the pass, and then the finish too.
Well, you just can't give the ball away at the back like that, and in such a key area as well. That's exactly what they've done, and they've paid the price.
He's got two in this game. He's on a hat-trick. Surely now this match is over as a contest.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see their more experienced lads step up to the plate now.
Herrera. Capdevila. The final whistle goes. It couldn't have gone any better for them. A win first up.
Yeah, you never quite know how the first match of any competition is going to go, but I thought they did a good job.
And with that, it's time for me to thank my co-commentator Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.